Thanks for clicking through to this video and showing an interest in our company. I'm going to hand you over to another member so they can tell you more about our products and services.
Mueller Pro Series is a smart electric pressure cooker designed in Germany, convenient, and dependable. It speeds up cooking by 2-6 times using up to 70% less energy and, above all, produces nutritious healthy food in a convenient and consistent fashion. Mueller Pro Series is intended one programmable cooker. It replaces 10 kitchen appliances to cook your favorite dishes with the press of a button. A 24-hour timer allows for delayed cooking. Automatic keep warm holds the temperature of the food until you serve it. The Mueller Pro Series generates almost no noise and leaks no steam. It traps all the aromas in the food without heating up the kitchen. The slim-bodied design has lid holders for both left and right-handed users. The brushed stainless steel exterior is fingerprint resistant. Its elegant and durable design makes it easy to clean and pleasurable to use for years to come. Mueller Pro Series uses the latest technology with an embedded microprocessor, which monitors the pressure and temperature, keeps time and adjusts heating intensity. The cooking programs have been lab-tested numerous times for optimal effect. Mueller Pro Series is carefully designed to eliminate many common errors that could cause harm or spoil food. It is certified, giving you uncompromised safety and peace of mind, and protects you with proven safety mechanisms and patented technologies.
I hope you enjoyed our review. If you would like to order this product or see further details, then simply click the link you see on the screen right now.